in this video I am going to discuss what is proper subset. If A is proper subset of B, then we denote it by A, this type of symbol, to B. If A is proper subset of B, then A is also subset of B. Clear? If A is proper subset of B, then A is subset of B also. Clear? That means every proper subset is also the subsets of the set. Clear? So the number of elements in set A are always less than the number of elements in set B. Here A is not equal to B. यहाँ पर A की वैल्यू B के इक्वल कभी नहीं होगी. Clear? Now, in order to find a total number of proper subsets, we should know what is the formula by which we can find a total number of subsets. So, proper subsets. So, total number of proper subsets is equal to 2 to the power n minus 1. I will prove this formula. Now I am using only this formula to find the total number of subsets. Suppose a set is given 1, 2, 3. Clear? The total number of subsets, proper subsets, is equal to 2 to the power 3 minus 1, that means 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So total number of proper subsets are 7. Now I am going to write a proper subsets. Phi is proper subset of every set except itself. It's very important thing. Phi is a set which has no proper subset. I will discuss. Phi, first one is phi, second one is 1, 2, 3. We can take 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. Subset, proper subset will not equal to this set. That means in this, now we are not going to take 1, 2, 3 in a curly bracket. So count the number of proper subsets: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The total number of proper subsets of set A, which has 3 elements, are 7 only. Now I am going to prove the formula why the total number of proper subsets is equal to 2 to the power n minus 1, where n is the total number of element in the set. Now I am going to prove the formula by which we can find a total number of proper subsets. We should know the formula of total number of proper subset is 2 to the power n minus 1, where n is the number of element in the given set. Clear? We know nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 plus ncn minus 1 plus ncn is equal to 2 to the power n. You know, this is equal to the total number of subsets of a set. In order to find a number of subsets, we take 0 element, we take 1 element, we take 2 elements, we can take all elements. Clear? So the total number of cases will be add, which is equal to 2 to the power n. This is the formula to find the number of total subsets of a set. But here we are going to discuss the formula of total number of proper subsets. You know, no set is proper subset of itself. This is very important thing. No set is proper subset of itself. So we will not take this case where I have selected all n elements of the set, because by the definition of subset we know that every set is subset of itself. So now we will eliminate it. So we will write here nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 plus ncn minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power n minus ncn. This is equal to total number of proper subsets, which is equal to 2 to the power n minus ncn is equal to 1. When we solve ncn, we write formula ncr is equal to factorial n by factorial r. In place of r, n is written, and So n minus r. So n minus n is 0. You should know the value of factorial 0 is 1. So n factorial n is cancelled out by factorial n. So it is equal to 1. So the value of NCn is equal to 1 here. So this is a formula. Okay. To find the total number of subsets of a set, which is equal to the power n minus 1. Now questions on proper subset. One is proper subset of 1, 2, 3. It is true or false? It is false, because one is not a set. Because if we write an element without braces, then it is not a set. Clear? So one is not a set. So we can say one is not a proper subset of 1, 2, 3. This set. Now I am going to write a statement, and you have to tell me the statement is true or false. Every proper subset is subset of a set. Yes, every proper subset is subset of a set. Clear? But every subset is not proper subset of a set. Clear? So this statement is true. Now third, which is very important, phi is proper subset of phi. This is false, because phi is only a set. Clear? Phi is only a set which has no proper subsets, because when we find the total number of elements in phi, this is 0. So when we find the total number of proper subsets, in short I am going to write PS, that means proper subsets. So 2 to the power n minus 1, the formula is 2 to the power n minus 1, just I have proved. So 2 to the power 0 minus 1, so it is 1 minus 1 is 0. That means if someone asks how many number of proper subset of a empty set, you will say 0. Clear? Now fourth, phi is proper subset of 1, 2, 3. Suppose this statement is written. We have to write T for true and F for false. Yes, this is true, because phi is proper subset of every set except itself, because phi is not proper subset of itself. Clear? This is very important. Now 5 number 1, 2 in curly bracket as a proper subset of 1, 2, 3. Now you have to check this statement is correct or not. No, because 1, 2 in curly bracket is not a part of this set. Clear? That's why in curly bracket 1, 2 is not a proper subset of this set. So it is false. I think this video will help you to understand the concept of proper subsets of a set. Thank you.